Welcome to my yacht spotting channel. Tonight we shall be looking at super yacht Maryah. At $250 million, and an annual running cost of $15 to $25 million, Maryah is ranked number 15 on the world's biggest private luxury yacht. The 125-meter super yacht is a former Russian research vessel, originally launched in Poland in 1990. She underwent an extensive 5-year rebuild with the Elefsis Shipyard in Greece, designed by London's H2 Yacht Design, and built to Solus regulations. She was delivered in 2015. While details of her interior are kept closely guarded, she is said to have a contemporary interior decor sprawling over 2,300 square meters, and she has accommodations for up to 54 guests. A movie theater, beach club, and helipad are among the special features of this 6-deck super yacht. The yacht's owner is Sheikh Tahnoon bin Zayed Al Nahyan. Tahnoon bin Zayed Al Nahyan is the son of the founder of the United Arab Emirates, Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan. He is a brother of Sheikh Khalifa Al Zayed Al Nahyan. Sheikh Khalifa is the Emir of Abu Dhabi and President of the United Arab Emirates. He is owner of the Yacht Azam. Maryah is powered by 5 Caterpillar engines, with 2,146 horsepower on each engine. She is capable of reaching a maximum speed of 18 knots and a cruising speed of 15 knots. She has a fuel capacity of 533,000 liters, allowing her to cover a wide distance over the ocean. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to my channel if you have found this video interesting.